Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. One of our good friends, they are giving us a couch. We just have to go pick it up. I've never rented a truck or van from Home Depot, so I don't know how to do it. Let's go figure it out. It seems pretty easy. I just need a driver's license, insurance, credit card, and make sure to fuel it back up. Also pretty affordable. Let's go pick one up. We got home pretty late last night, so just left the couch in the garage while I returned the van, and now we will figure out how to get this in the house. I can't believe that fit. I took some measurements and made sure it would clear vertically, and then turned the couch a little bit to get everything to slide in. Video 104 done.